First, all I did was take a nice mesh cap and glue this unit on. It took me no time to actually get the unit made. I think that I chose to do glue because I don't typically make wigs. That's not something that I do anymore. And when I do it, it's gotta be easy. So if you want to do something, this is quick and easy, okay? Quick and easy wig review tutorial. Throw that thing on, hit it up with some glue, and you...
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
All right, my loves, let's go on and get into this Ishow Virgin Brazilian Hair Loose Deep Wave 3 bundles with a 4x4 closure. Okay, so I am coming through with a 4x4 Brazilian hair closure in 20 inches. Okay, she's super beautiful. I actually really did enjoy doing this. I haven't made a wig in a very long time. All right, guys, so this came with 3 bundles. There was one 24-inch bundle and 2 26-inch bundles, along with a 20-inch lace closure, a 4x4 closure. So I'm using a mesh weaving cap, okay, specifically for making a wig, as well as my 30-second bond glue. Later on, I'm going to actually go on through with the needle and thread, so you'll need that as well. I'm putting my mesh cap over this plastic bag on top of my mannequin head because I want to make sure that we do not compromise the texture of the mannequin head, or make sure that the wig does not stick to the actual mannequin head. So because we're using glue, so I'm just going to go on through with my T-pins, and I'm going to lay the closure down right on top of that mesh cap. I'm just going to go on through all the way around and add about 4 pins just to make sure she's laid down, because what we're going to do is go on through and sew mother on down. Now this unit is really it was a labor of love, but it wasn't a long labor. Okay, we was in there about 40 minutes in total, and that included wetting her up and everything like that, as well as going through and sewing down our closure. So again, this is super easy. It does not take a lot from you guys. My cap was $2, the needle and thread was $2, and my glue was, I think, $4.99, and I got the larger one. So you're not breaking the bank making a wig on your own either. It might even be a little bit more cost effective.
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
All right, my loves, so the 4x4 closure, once it's all the way laid down, we're just going to go on through and start on the back. So yes, I realized that my mesh lace wig, after I sewn on the closure, was inside out, but don't you worry, there's an easy fix to this. All I'm going to do is add 2 tracks right at the bottom, okay, and then I'm going to cut the weft, which I usually don't do, and then I'm going to start to add the weft again right above that adjustable band. Now that helps me to control the size of the cap even afterwards. So that's an easy fix. Don't worry. This is a super easy thing to do. Okay. So especially it's easy, and I think it's a little bit more affordable. These 3 bundles, the 24-inch, the 226, and a 20-inch 4x4 closure, is going for just under $250 on Ishowbeauty.com. Don't you guys worry. I have a coupon code, okay? So I'm going to make sure I leave not only the coupon code, but the description of the bundles and everything in the description box below. So I'm just going through and making sure that I add these tracks as I go along. Do you guys call them tracks, or do you call them wefts? What are we calling them now? So I'm just going through and adding this on, and I do not like to cut the weft, and I don't like to cut the weft because that adds shedding and everything like that. So if you just keep going, and it is the easiest thing to do. And when you want to salvage and take off this, like if you wanted to remove the tracks from the wig, they're still intact, and that's a big thing as well. Like, you don't have a bunch of little pieces, you just have one long bundle. So that's a little trick that I do. I don't know if people still do this, but this was a thing that you did back in the day. I don't know if I'm aging myself or not, but I don't care. Okay, again, this is a super affordable way to make a fast and easy wig. So I think that you guys need to get into that. I'm going to shut my mouth again. But first, let me make sure you guys know that you're going to continue with this motion all the way up to the top where the weft will meet the end of the lace 4x4 closure. Okay, so you're just going to continue to do this all the way throughout the wig. It is such a super easy process. I know I keep saying that, but I'm telling you guys, you can do this. This might be easier than actually laying a wig. Like having it like all the way, like that's the truth. Okay, that's how like user friendly this is, and I hope that you guys are getting a good look. Again, I'm not cutting the wefts, and I won't until I get to the top of this unit where the weft meets the lace closure. That's when I'll cut it. But other than that, I'm just going to keep going on and on. Now, I try my best to use all 3 bundles because you know how it is. They say put all the bundles up in my head, okay? Because I want the horse to be haying, all right? I want it to be going all the way in. So I'm just making sure that I'm going as close as I can to the wefts, and that we can get as much of this hair on this wig as possible.
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you all day. I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you all day. I need you. I want you. I know life
All right, guys, so we're all done. I am coming through with my Ishow hair. I've received a 20-inch closure, as well as 3 bundles, 226, 124. And I think that mother came on through. I'm actually feeling this hair. And I was doing this to the hair because I actually wet her with just a little bit of conditioner and water in my little spray bottle. And it really did, to me, bring the unit to life, because when I was running my fingers through it earlier, I kind of felt like this feels very crunch and munch. And I think that's primarily because you guys really need to make sure that you're co-washing your hair when you receive it. And that was my fault because I did not do that. I just wanted to get right to the nitty gritty. So I did a little light spray down, and I feel like the hair feels absolutely stunning and amazing. I actually really do enjoy what we did with this unit. I'm going to turn around. Okay, so this is 26 inches at the bottom, and then I put the 24-inch at the top, and then obviously the closure. I filmed this twice. This like little moment that I'm filming right now is my second time, because I was sitting here and I was touching the hair and I was thinking about what I said previously, and honestly, I wanted to take it back. I actually really do love the way this hair is feeling right now. This hair, it tangled a bit, it shed a bit, but now I'm not getting much of anything after I wet her down and like kind of really just gave her a little love, sex, and magic. You know what I mean? Let her live her full life. I think that made a world of difference. This unit really does look great. Obviously, I made her, so, you know, kiss the hands, whatever. Like, God bless the hands, right? That fixed this. I actually really do love this hair. Ishow hair came through. What I'm going to do later is give you guys an update on this, okay? Because I want you to know how the hair holds up over time. I've done quite a few Ishow units, so this will be just another one to come on through with. But I am actually proud of myself. I have not made a wig in a very long time, so it's really good to get back into that, or whatever the case may be. But I hope you guys are feeling this like I am. Bust down, subscribe to this channel, okay? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.